Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto-rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto-Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto-rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into Settings, scroll down, click on Display and Brightness. Scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Auto-Rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!